children. So, today we learn preposition of time. At precise times. For example, at 9 o'clock, at Christmas, at Easter, at noon, at night, at midnight, at the weekend, at lunchtime, at dinner, at that time, at the moment, at 10:10 a.m., at the beginning, at the end, at sunrise. In months, years. For example, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the winter, in the summer, in 2022, in August, in 3 hours, in the Christmas holiday, in the 21st century, in the future, in the spring, in March. On dates and days. On Mondays, on Friday, on Sunday morning, on Easter Monday, on June 13th, on a summer evening, on that day, on a cold day, on the first day, on the last day, on Shivaratri, on Tuesday. Okay, children, write some sentences on these examples. Practice more and more. Okay, children, thank you. Bye. Oh, don't worry, I will come back.